everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. You know what time it is? It's Mastermind time, my favorite time of the month. And the host of this collaboration is Allie with Decor and Lifestyle. And the co-host is Penny at Penny's Place, Stephanie with YouTube Tips with Stephanie, and Designer's Loft, D. On this video today, we will be talking about open collaborations that I'm doing this month, and also what is Linktree. I'll be telling you what it is and how I'm going to use it to help my social media accounts. Hey everybody, this is the collaborations that I'm going to be in this month. Of course, you have it. I'm going to be in the Mastermind influencer team today. Well, tomorrow I will be joining Denise Jordan with This and That from Denise Jordan with her kitchen vignette challenge. And then I will be joining her also on the 14th of June for her container garden challenge. And then I will be going and doing the tiered tray on the 18th with Penny at Penny's Place. And then I will be doing a private collaboration of my tea party club that I love so much on the 22nd. And before that, the 20th, I will be doing recipes for the appetizers and the dessert that I made for my tea party club. So you can get the recipes of what I created. And then I will be doing a hop with Penny. I think it's on the 30th, but you'll have to check with her channel because I'm not quite sure. It might be another time because the one box challenge with Michelle is the 30th. If not, I got 2 collaborations on one day, and I've done that a couple times by accident. But you know, sometimes that happens. One box challenge with Michelle at Everyday Wife Life. So if you are interested in any of these challenges, and I may on the 25th of June do the $10 thrift with Kimberly Davis. So if you're interested in any of these, check out the other channels. Check out my YouTube sisters. If you know of any more collaborations that's going on, leave them in the chat to share them with my other creators. Because that's what we are here. We're a big family. And that's what I'm doing this month. It's going to be a crazy busy month. Oh, well, that one was already done. I remembered the 5th of June is my outdoor collaboration with Pretty Things, and that I was a co-host. But that'll be over by the time this video goes out. Oops. And that's what I'm doing this month in collaborations. If you would like to collaborate with me or interested in getting in touch with me, my email will be in the description box so you can do that. Thank you so much. Have you ever heard of Linktree? Linktree is linktree.com. You can go and Google it and find it. A Linktree, when you have Linktree, what it is a page that it's a link you click that your customers, your subscribers can click on, and when they click it open, it has up to 7 links for your social media, affiliate links, whatever you want to put in there. So they're all in one place. So there's places like on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even YouTube that you can place this link in your description box, and that they will then have all your links in one place in your Etsy shop. So you don't have to type out all those social media links for your different social medias. And it is the perfect cost. Because you know, my sister Penny, she's on this kick of saving money. Well, this will save you money. It is absolutely, positively free. Free. And it'll help you. You know, you're only allowed to have one link on Instagram. This way, one click and they have all 7 of your social media, or your Etsy shop, or your website, or your affiliate links. They'll have all your information in just one link. So I think it'd be perfect for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even YouTube. I think I might put mine in my description box when I get mine created. But that's something I'm working on this month, and you know I like to tell you my to-do list. That's my to-do list. Last month I got sick for a few weeks, so I didn't get a whole lot done. And I've been kind of out of the loop, if you haven't noticed. But I want to get into working on my Etsy shop and working on setting up this link tree as my to-do list for the month, as well as I'm going to be super busy with all these videos for the collaborations. And I'm starting to work on my vlogmases, because I'm going to be in Christmas in July vlogmas and October vlogmas, and I'm already starting to create Christmas tablescapes and fall tablescapes for my vlogmas. But my vlogmas is going to be a little different. You're not going to just get a tablescape. You may get a tablescape, and we may go someplace Christmassy. We may do a DIY that's Christmassy. We may be doing a fall DIY, or we may be going somewhere fall related. But that's how I'm going to do my vlogmas. It's going to be more or less what I would do in a day. If I'm going to the thrift store, we're going to the thrift store, and then you'll have a beautiful centerpiece at the end, or vice versa. That's how I think I'm going to do that. I've never done a vlogmas. If you've ever done them before and could give me some pointers, drop them in the box below. I'm always up for help and ideas. I'm never too good to learn and always interested in somebody else's suggestions. Okay, have a great month. Join some collaborations. Grow together as a family. And remember, YouTube's still working on things. When I started uploading some of my videos, I had 3 of the people that I do collaborations with every month. YouTube decided they weren't my friends anymore, and they unsubscribed them, so I had to resubscribe again. So remember, if you want to be subscribed to our Mastermind influencers and our other YouTube sisters, make sure to check and make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube likes to unsubscribe us sometimes. Thank you very much, and I hope you got something out of this video. Bye.